test drive the 2019 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.